Hello everyone, I'm ENJS Sobretodo and I'm currently riding for Team Angkas this year.
This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made.
So for my underbone, I'm using the Rosa Corsa 2, and for my Aerox 185, I'm currently using the new Corsa Pirelli scooter S-Tar, and for the 400, I'm currently using the Super Corsa S-Tar. So for everyone that currently using the different kind of Pirelli, I suggest that you use it properly and make sure that you are using the right PSI for your weight so that you can enjoy more the grip of the tire and you can easily go to the track without any worries, and you can easily feel the grip of the tire. That's all, everyone.
This is how legends are made.